Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn digital marketing for beginners. First, let's cover the foundational areas. Digital marketing encompasses many strategies, including search engine optimization, or SEO, and social media marketing. You'll also want to explore content marketing, which involves creating valuable material, and email marketing for direct communication. Finally, understanding paid advertising on platforms like Google and Facebook is crucial for reaching a wider audience. Next, let's focus on the essential skills and tools you'll need. Developing strong analytical skills is key to interpreting campaign data and making informed decisions. You should also master content creation and persuasive copywriting to engage your audience effectively. Familiarity with various marketing automation software, like email marketing platforms or CRM systems, will streamline your efforts and boost efficiency. These practical abilities are vital for success in the digital space. Now, let's talk about where to find resources and gain practical experience. Many excellent free online courses and tutorials are available to teach you specific skills. Regularly reading industry blogs and detailed case studies will keep you informed about current trends and best practices. To truly learn, build a personal project, like a blog or a small business website, or volunteer your marketing services to gain valuable hands-on experience. Practice is paramount. Finally, let's look at your career path and how to ensure continuous growth. Digital marketing offers diverse roles, such as an SEO specialist, content creator, or social media manager. Networking with other professionals in the field can open doors to new opportunities and insights. Always stay updated with the rapidly evolving trends and new technologies to remain competitive and effective. Continuous learning is the cornerstone of a successful digital marketing career.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.